Welcome back, Craft Kingdom! Today, we'll be learning the word dog. D for dog. Are you ready? Let's draw! How do you write dog? D-O-G. Dog. D-O-G. Dog. This is a dog. This is a dog. This dog has some brown spots. He also has a brown coat. He's wagging his tail, which means that he is playful. He has a blue collar, and on his collar is a red heart. He has a pink snout and also a green ball. He loves playing. Can you remember how to write the name dog? Follow me. D for dog. D. D-O-G.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing
Dog.
with me?
So what have we learned today? This is dog. Wow! Well done, kids! Today, you have learned the word dog. D for dog. Well done. See you next time, kids.